What do you want for that?
40 bucks.
Oh, fuck. 40 bucks. You're making me take it then.
That's what I paid for it. And that wasn't yesterday. But
how would you get out of there? Tractor?
Yeah, I can just pick it up and we can likely put it on the truck if you want it.
Yeah, for $40. Yep. I'll make something out of it. Or I'll do something with it. We'll wait till he gets that loaded.
Yep.
I gotta keep this $40. You must be feel nice just to get that cleaned up here, huh?
Well, yeah, we wanted to extend the garden and move that building, except the building's full of stuff. You gotta be careful for balance on that machine, but we set it as level as we could so it wouldn't rock.
Just going to get it up so it...
Oh, I see. Okay.
He's done this before. Remember when I said he pulled the car on for me and what? Yeah, Jim's car pulled the car on. I said, that's probably the easiest car you ever put on your truck. He said, nope. He said, I've driven them on before. Just an old metal table upside down?
It was a sheet metal table and they had laminated 2x2s, 2x3s on it.
Yeah.
But it's been outside so long that the wood all disintegrated.
Mm-hmm.
I think it came out of a school. I bought it. I bought it on a bargain hunter ad years ago. That and a spot welder.
Okay. And there she is, upside down.
Yeah.
Nice table for something, though, you know,
yeah.
like. There's no holding that from going over, is there? Like, I mean, there's no sense me holding on one side from that. On that, would there be any sense me holding that, or?
What I'm hoping.
Maybe I can just.
Yeah, yeah.
Let me know if that board does come with it.
Which one? Down here?
Yeah.
It'll slide.
It is.
It's coming.
Yeah.
With it, yeah. It just come off that one though.
Yeah.